back to my channel. It has been a very long time, but I'm back with more enthusiasm, motivation to do YouTube. Okay. So, but I have been active on my Instagram, Be Unique Makeup, and I do makeup tutorials from time to time on my story. So definitely check that out if you're interested. But yes, we're back on YouTube and we're going to be doing more videos. Okay, so just bear with me. Thank you to my loyal 12 followers or whatever. Okay, so I haven't primed my face yet. I just have on lotion, and I like to use Cetaphil. I don't really use any special whatever. But Cetaphil is really dope if you have dry skin. And yes, I'm going to be priming my face with the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the one in 400. It's like clear, kind of like gel. Because it's like gel, I highly don't recommend priming your face with powder. If you do that, I do that sometimes, but this is definitely not the primer to use for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna be focusing on the eyeshadow. We're gonna go step by step with that, but everything else I'm gonna do off camera. And I will make separate videos for an eyebrow tutorial, and I'm gonna be making a separate video for my face routine. Okay, so let us get started. Okay, now that we have our brows done, it is time to prime our eyes. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. Actually, I'm gonna use a brush. This is like a flat paintbrush, kinda. I got it from the craft store. I'm gonna just take this brush and just put some on my eye. Alright. Then I have this angled brush. Oh my gosh. The number is gone. But I can tell you it's BH Cosmetics, and it's like an angled little fluff brush like this. And I'm just gonna kind of blend that into my eye. I'm going to go with my first base color. I am going into my Morphe 350M. I don't know, but it's this color. We're down to the pan, and the cover broke. So that shows you how much I use this palette. But it's cool. This is my Morphe M507. This brush is flames. Like, I use this brush for literally everything. It's a cute, skinny, fluffy brush, and it's amazing. So we're gonna take that brown, and we're just gonna go right into the crease. I'm kind of just patting it in there first, and then we're gonna blend it out. So we're just blending that out. I like to blend in circular motions. Blending is literally the most important part about makeup. That is not the only, but it's one of the main determining factors between somebody who's, well, not someone, but good makeup versus needs some work. Feel me? Okay, so next I'm gonna use my same brush, and I'm going to go in my Zulu Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna use this chocolatey brown at the top. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in the outer corners and blend that towards the inner, or the middle of the crease really, but I'm not going any further than that. So I'm kind of patting it in there first and then blending it out. I think I'm happy with that. Cool. So this is gonna be a kind of real soft glam. So I'm gonna go ahead back in with my concealer, which was the Warm Honey LA Girl, and I'm gonna use that same flat brush from earlier to do our cut crease. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna just draw a little line, not too high. I'm gonna look up. So when I look up, see that it kind of went up here? Can we repeat that? Because I feel like it sounded weird. Okay, so after I drew my line, I looked up because I want to see where my eyes kind of overlap, you know? And that's where my cut crease will be. That way, like when you finish your look, like if you have kind of hooded eyes, whatever, your makeup won't be messed up because the crease is already up there. Some people tend to draw the crease too low, and then those are the people, no offense, you see like their makeup all the way up here. Make sense? Okay. So once you have that nice line, gonna go ahead and just clean up that line, make it straighter, and also bring that concealer out. I did get a little bit up there, but that's not that deep. See? So I think this is the shape that I want, and I'm happy. So I'll move on to the next eye. Another tip I do have, at least for me, I know that my eyes are not exactly the same. So where one may kind of overlap, the other one doesn't. So in order to make them look as perfect as they can, just try to, you know, match them to each other. So for example, this line is higher, but because of the way that they overlap, they look the same when I have my eyes down. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense to me. Okay, so once you're happy with your crease, I'm going to go in my Zulu palette again, and I'm going to use this pretty rose gold. And this is like a little flat brush. I got this from TJ Maxx, so I'm not sure what it's called, but whatever. So using that flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and starting from the inner corner, okay, going back with my Morphe M507, we're gonna go back in with that chocolate. Just gonna go in the outer corner and just blend that out. It's missing some dimension to me. I don't know. So I'm gonna add this pink right before the brown. Actually, I do kind of like that. Can't really see it, but you can kind of see it. Okay, I like this. This is cute. Okay, that was easy. So now I'm gonna put on my lashes. These lashes are from Dodo Lashes. Dodolashes.com. DODOLASHES.com. I forgot what style they're in, but all of their lashes are super cute, so you'll be doing yourself a favor if you order from them. Okay, I did put on my lashes off camera because I will be making a video on that because I do feel like it deserves its own tutorial. Cool? Now I'm about to go ahead and go off camera again, and I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation, my concealer, and I'll come back for highlights and finishing the last of this look. Okay, I have my face done. Now we're going to go ahead and finish our eye look. So, I told y'all I love this Morphe M507 brush, okay? Alright, so I'm going to go in with that chocolate from the Zulu palette, and we're going to go right under the eye and just blend that out. See how that just gives it more pop? Okay, with this small Eco Tools brush, I'm going to go in with that rose gold, and we're just going to do the inner corners like to here. Then I'm going to take some black eyeliner. This is from NYX. It's actually a lip liner, but lip liner in the color Blackberry, but guess what it is today? Eyeliner. So I'm just going to go right on that waterline. Oh, don't poke your eye out. See? I really like the black. Kind of adds some depth. I feel like that's my favorite thing to say about makeup. Okay, so then we're going to highlight under our brow. I'm gonna use Urban Decay's Space Powder, that same fluffy small brush that I used, and I'm gonna highlight under my brow. I'm gonna go in here with this, and I'm also gonna use a different glitter. Then, okay, this is literally my favorite, like, loose powder, glitter, shimmer, whatever. This is from Mica Beauty Cosmetic. This is beautiful, like, bruh. I love this. I'm gonna just add some of that in there too. Give it some more shimmer. First of all, let me set my brows. This is a mini one, but this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. It's just like a little brush like this. You just go right on your brows to set them in place. Okay, brows are set. I'm gonna go ahead and get my, this is also a mini, but this is Urban Decay's Perversion mascara. Pretty dope. Look how thick that is. Like, this is, it looks really, really, really good on your bottom lashes. Like, wow. So we're gonna do that. I just want y'all to see my bottom lashes. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, see? Really good. Really good, really good. My Mica Beauty. It just adds more glitter. I mean, but if you're not a huge fan of like highlight, then of course you don't have to do too much, but I like highlight. Okay, now I'm going to set, I like this Pacifica Crystal Power Hydro Mist. It's actually really good. It's cute too. Okay. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, whatever. Please subscribe to my channel, all that great stuff. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And yes, also, if you do recreate this look, please tag me in it. I would love to see it and repost it and everything. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm back.